don't know the next step, so I'm waiting for somebody to send me the link, but I believe it's a
see, there's a lot. Have you heard anything about nutrition in India?
Don't look at me, I know this stuff.
Okay. Have any of you heard anything about nutrition
in India?
in India? What have you heard?
Like all the doctors and everyone say that you should eat a balanced diet.
This is good. This is diagonal, but this is like straight, pointing to the.
So like this.
Good. And you have to bend your knees. We don't have to stand.
Like this?
We will dance. Yeah. So, I have to bend towards my right.
No, we can continue tomorrow.
I guess yours is.
ये से कहाँ गया?
Wait, Achu, did you take 4 point here for 4? This one more step, gas. And then that gas is burning, not the wood directly burning. So it's closed up gasifier.
That is what this thing was made in the stick.
But this book is. Acha, okay, that. You're saying we can do it together. Book journey.
So many crepes. But we can cut some of them in half.
Pawan, yeah. Welcome back, Pawan. So now, were you able to put the breadboard on the ground? Yes, very nice. Thanks to Mama. And now,
You do it if you do some mistake.
No. I learned Indian man can Jagriti painting.
Don't run away, na. Come here.
Now, before I use my dad account, so he's like, what? You wanted account? So he said, what did you buy? Yeah, Chilesh, what did you decide for dinner?
Oh, this book is called How to Think Like Leonardo da Vinci. It's basically a book. It's a guide to access one's full brain potential and live your life to the fullest using Leonardo da Vinci as your model kind of thing.
I'm just throwing, just arrange it.
Stone Raki, there's a thorn bush like here.
Damn rat.
Damn it,
It's not like big, but it's not like I think every single part I can do it. I really like
Hey.
three.
Oh, please, okay.
Tell me about this book.
Excuse me, sorry.
I just picked up the book because I recognized this from somewhere. I don't know where though. And then I have no idea who this guy is, Leonardo da Vinci is. So I thought, why not read it? And then so far the author is just praising Leonardo da Vinci or something, I guess. He talks about some kind of research about these two dudes who made a whole list about the most original and like great people in their field, and then Leonardo da Vinci is on the top. And then he goes on to talk about how baby ducklings learn from their mother, and then how humans also do that, but then we have the power to choose whom we can imitate and whom we want to learn from. So he wrote this book for that purpose.
Thank you.
I don't know anything.
Front page.
I don't.
Okay.
Okay, so the book is about zodiac signs and star signs and how to read, like the star signs in the sky without needing a book, and also a better perspective over a person through their zodiac sign.
Okay. So, yeah, you think you were already earlier also you're doing something about this zodiac sign.
Yeah, I've done research on zodiac signs and tarot cards.
Oh, it's a tarot card. You were working, you played some games earlier. Okay, nice, interesting.